Hey guys, namaste and welcome back to my channel Padma's Universe. It's all about food, people and places, and today I'm going to be making a very interesting recipe with a very interesting vegetable. I have some kakore here. This is also known as spiny gourd. This belongs to the bitter gourd family. This is also known as jungli karela or ghee karela, also known as kantola in Hindi. So I'm going to be making kakore ki sabzi with potatoes, because I love it with potatoes and it goes extremely well with rotis, even dal chawal. So as you see, it's little spiky, so there'll be some amount of soil trapped, so it's always good to wash this thoroughly, clean it, and then we need to dice this up into small little pieces, basically as you like. I'm going to be dicing this up into small little thick triangles like this. Unlike bitter gourd, this does not have bitterness at all. Let's start making the kakore ki sabzi in my favorite mud vessel, mitti ki kadhai. I'm going to be drizzling some oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil, but if you like mustard oil, please use mustard oil. It's going to taste awesome. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. It's absolutely free, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon, the notification button right next to the subscription button for all the latest updates on my channel. The oil is hot. Let's add some mustard seeds, that is rai. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera. And now we need to add 1 chopped onion. Fry this up. We need to fry the onions till the color changes. And now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and we need to fry this again well in the oil until the raw smell goes. And now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of plain red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, that is dhania powder. We need to fry the masalas really well for about couple of minutes. And now I'm adding about 2 small chopped tomatoes, followed by some salt. We need to fry this up. This is a very simple basic sabzi, but tastes so very good. So the masalas are all done. We need to fry this for a good 2 to 3 minutes, and now we need to add little water if you find that the masalas are sticking to the pan. Very little water, like about 2 to 3 tablespoons, that's it. And we need to let this simmer for another minute. Time to add our veggies now. Chopped veggies. I have 500 grams of kakore here, that is half a kilo of kakore or spiny gourd, and we need to fry this up, mix this up well with the masalas. And I'm going to pair this with some potatoes which I have peeled, cleaned and chopped them into small little triangles. You can avoid potatoes if you wish to, but I love to eat this sabzi with aloo. So we need to mix the veggies up well with all the masalas for a minute or so. Keep mixing it, and then we need to drizzle some water, like less than quarter cup of water. And we need to close the lid and cover this for and let this cook for at least 30 minutes. In between, we'll keep checking it. We'll keep opening the lid, checking it, giving it a mix. If the need be, we will keep drizzling some water also. Overall, the sabzi should not take more than 30 to 40 minutes to cook. It's a dry sabzi and goes amazingly well with parathas. I love it with fulkas. It also goes amazingly well with dal chawal. So I'm going to cook this on a medium flame, and the sabzi is going to get cooked in its own steam. I did not add any extra water, and this should take max 40 minutes to cook. And in the meanwhile, I am going to prepare some fulkas, because this is going to be my lunch. In this recipe, I've used very less quantity of spices. If you wish to, you can increase the quantity of chili powder or cumin powder, coriander powder. You can also add garam masala if you want it more spicy. It's going to taste really, really good. And this is how I like it. Everyday ghar ka khana, I do not like it overspiced. And here my hot fulkas are ready, and the sabzi is also ready. It's perfectly cooked and it's ready to serve. As I said, this is going to be my lunch, and I'm going to eat this with some homemade dal hot fulkas. And guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, and I'll see you soon with yet another interesting recipe or a vlog. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.